Hello guys, what we are doing today, we are changing the front stabilizer link on a RAV4. It's a simple and easy job and anybody could do it, even a 5-year-old, but you get what I mean. Anyway, let's get started. Okay guys, this is one nut, this is two nuts. Okay, here we go. Okay, one nut. There's one behind here. Sometimes it spins and you just gotta lock it, vice it like and lock it, and guys, this is how it comes out. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. One, two. Lock. See guys, simple. This side is finished. You just repeat it on the other side. Okay guys, you see I finished one side. Okay, on the next side, just repeat the same process and you're good. And please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching and have a great one.